Apple's WWDC 2026 keynote just wrapped up, and while there were plenty of updates across iPhone, Mac, and iPad, there's one specific thing that stole the show: Siri's new AI. After years of falling behind other AI assistants, Apple is finally making Siri smarter, more personal, and more useful than ever before. This year, Apple focused on Apple Intelligence, Siri upgrades, and more AI features that are designed to help productivity. Apple worked alongside Google and helped completely redesign Siri and gave it a brand new AI foundation. The new Siri can now understand your personal context, meaning it can use information from your apps, conversations, calendars, files, and other experiences to provide more helpful answers. This allows Siri to better understand what you're doing and help complete tasks. Siri is now also going to be more conversational, meaning instead of just speaking in short commands, it's going to feel like you're actually having a natural flowing conversation. Siri also now has on-screen awareness, which means it can understand what's currently on your screen and assist you based on the information that it can see. This will make Siri feel much more like an assistant rather than just some voice search tool. Apple is now also expanding visual intelligence, and now users can interact with images, screenshots, and documents, along with other content across all other apps using AI tools. This creates a much more seamless experience on what you and Siri can work together to accomplish. Along with this visual intelligence, Apple also introduced a new Siri option in the camera app. That way you can bring AI into real-time photos and videos. Siri is now more interactive than ever, with its interface and interactions syncing across all iCloud devices. iPhone users can now access Siri by swiping down on the dynamic island, while Mac users can now use the new Siri integration in the Spotlight search. Along with this, the new Siri app will be available on all Apple devices and will store previous conversations that will sync across all of your devices. Apple Intelligence is also helping users be more organized. Messages will now offer smarter suggestions and recommendations. The calendar can automatically recognize events and help add them to your schedule. Shortcuts can create new automations with a lot less setup and more flexibility. And Safari will now organize tabs into topics, making it easier to manage projects, assignments, and keep track of all your tasks. On top of this, in Safari, Apple is now introducing website updates, which will be notifications that allow you to track changes on websites without having to constantly check back in on them. Apple is also enhancing its creative tools. They will be adding new writing and editing suggestions and personalization, new image generation capabilities that will allow users to create visuals more effectively, and a bunch new photo editing AI features, including reframing photos, expanding images, improved cleanup tools, and smarter editing suggestions. Now, on top of all of the Siri talk, Apple also introduced some more important updates, such as system-wide performance improvements, improved rendering and navigation in Apple Maps, expanded child safety, and interface customization options, including a tinted glass slider. Now, with personal context, on-screen awareness, cross-device intelligence, and deeper integration into everyday apps, Siri is becoming far more capable than the assistant we've known for years. Now the question is, how will Apple deliver on all of these promises? And what will it all look like once the features roll out to all users? Let me know what announcement you are most excited for from the WWDC 2026. Let me know if you enjoyed this recap, and be sure to like and subscribe for more of this tech productivity content. Thank you for watching.